Hey, this is your girl Renee, and I'm outside on my outside deck, and I'm trying to um, take out some of these plants that are too closely spaced together, which I learned about when I did my watermelon radish. If you grow your plants too close and you don't give them enough spacing, then they are not going to grow to their full potential. So I have some kohlrabi in here, and I also have some of those watermelon radish. So if you saw my previous video, I had taken out my watermelon radish and also my Swiss chard. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take out all this watermelon radish, keep the kohlrabi in here, and then I'm going to plant some more kohlrabi seeds in here because I want to make this container right here all kohlrabi. So that's what my mission is today. So I've got my bag over here that I keep for all my things that I don't need, my trash bag. So as you can see, I'm pulling out all the watermelon radish, and as you can see, they wouldn't amounted to anything because of the poor spacing. See, having another lesson of gardening. I'm learning day by day, every time I garden, that you're gonna make mistakes, but hey, I'm learning from my mistakes, knowing that spacing is key. And I was told that you can eat the tops of this watermelon radish. So I want to know. I'm going to keep one because the radish, like I told you before, they're like fire sticks. So I do not. I wonder if the leaves of this watermelon radish is just as spicy as the actual radish. So I got to make sure, because this is a kohlrabi leaf right here. So I got to keep all the leaves that look like this, and I have to get rid of all the watermelon radishes. Make sure I don't pull out the wrong ones, because I know the ones in the front are all watermelon radishes. And I know my kohlrabi, I planted them towards the back. So I'm just pulling those out. Now this one is something I can't use. So cleaning up the front of the container too as I pull out the watermelon radishes. And this will let me know if there's any bugs or any insects that I need to deal with before I plant the seeds in here. Now that's a kohlrabi leaf, and I think I may space some of these in the back to give it some more room. There's some in the back as well. Because I think when I planted this pot, I thought, oh, well, I will have enough spacing and I won't have to worry about it. But as I was watching this container grow, I was like, why is these leaves not getting any bigger? And that was the reasoning. It was because they were too close together in here and they didn't have no room to breathe. So I was like, well, I gotta get in here and give them some room to breathe, and then I still have time to get some more seeds in and get them planted. So this one, this one right here is a watermelon radish, because I can tell by the red at the bottom that that's a watermelon radish. And that's a good thing, because when you're putting all these plants in here, they're like, you don't know which one is which. So, oh my goodness, look at this. Can you guys see this? Look, somehow a strawberry plant, you see this? This strawberry plant has gotten into this container. But you know what? I'm not going to pull it out. I'm just going to let it do what it do. It found its way in there, so I'm going to let it stay in there. Look, and it's already got a tendril growing. Isn't amazing? And you know how I feel about these strawberries. It seems like all the birds and stuff are getting the strawberries before I can even have a taste of my strawberries. So I had to get like a little cachet see-through like mesh bag, and I put them over my strawberries that I know were ripe, and so they're doing a great job. Tomorrow it'll be time to pick that strawberry because it's nice and red, and I don't really eat strawberries, but I grew that strawberry for my husband. He's an avid lover of strawberries, so I said I will try to grow, because you know, when you grow in a garden, it's not about growing things only that you like. You have to grow things in your garden that your family or your friends may enjoy as well. Alright, so I've got everything out of this pot. Let's just clean it up a little bit. So when I get my seeds tomorrow, I'll be ready to rock and roll. Rock and roll. So tomorrow I will make you guys a video of the strawberry that I have put in that little bag, and then I'll show you in case you may want to try, because it seems to have been working for me. So you know what they say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So this is how it looks now. So the only thing that's in this container are the kohlrabis. So I hope that they have enough room now so they can start growing. So, and I keep my little strawberry on this side. So that's what it looks like, all cleaned out. Got the star of the show, the strawberry, in the front of the pot. So, and I made sure that there was no bugs or anything in the pot. So I should be good to go for tomorrow. Alright, you guys. We're going to use this as an experiment. And hopefully, because you know who inspired me to try growing kohlrabis was New Orleans gardener. She loves kohlrabi. She grows them, but she grows the purple variety, and mine are going to be the white variety. I've never had them. I don't know what they taste like. They look like they could be in the same family as in the turnip or the parsnip family, because they have that texture and that look like a turnip, a bulb thing. But they're the coolest thing. If you have never ever seen what a kohlrabi, look it up, Google it, or you better yet, just go to the New Orleans gardener and she will show you how to plant it, what it looks like, and sometimes she even cooks it up in a meal. So she's an amazing woman. She used to be a jazz singer, and she is very knowledgeable about planting. So go ahead and check her channel out and see what you learned from her. Alright guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped, and I will keep you posted on how my kohlrabi does, and also if I can get some strawberries off of this one strawberry plant that I found in my bucket. Alright, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like. I'd appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know when my next video is coming your way. Alright you guys, have a wonderful evening, because it is super hot, starting to get, I'm sweating out here, but I wanted to come and bring you another interesting video to maybe help you in your garden. Alright guys, take care. We say peace out. Renee, peace out. Take care you guys. Bye.